Hey everyone, welcome back to DataNests, and this is episode 3 of our Excel Mastery series from basics to advanced. In the last video, we learned about basic formulas and cell referencing. Today, we will make our Excel sheet look more professional using formatting, sorting, and filtering. Three simple but powerful tools that make your data clear and easy to analyze. We start with formatting. What is formatting? Formatting in Excel means changing the appearance of your data without changing the actual values. Let's some example from our data table. So this is our data. Okay. So now I want my header to be bold. So here it is. We click on the bold. It will automatically change to bold. Now I want my header to be in yellow and font colors would be in red. This is what we can do. Apart from that, if we want, no, we want our data to be in a border one. This is border, outside border should be black and all. Just select all. We want everything like 6 in a box way. Okay. And if you want to change the color of a particular cell like this one, if you want to change, just click there, fill color itself. Okay. And apart from that, we have number format like this one. If you want this in currency, so right now it's in general. If you want in currency, just click on the currency. If you want to be in number, just click on the number. Same happen if you want in date, we can click on the date. Okay, so let's go with general itself, what it was earlier. Okay, let's add some intelligence to our formatting using conditional formatting. For this, we have to go to home, then we have to go through conditional formatting. There are multiple options for this. For time being, we are taking an example for salary. Okay, just click on the salary, select the range, conditional formatting. So here we want our salary to be greater than whatever you want to take. For right now I am taking more than 35,000. Okay, color change to red. So let's click on the done. So whichever salary is greater than 35,000, it should be red here itself. Okay, now if you want to change it to, no, not 35,000, we want 45,000. Click on the red, done. See, change accordingly. You can change directly here itself. Just click on here, it will be changing. Now you want, I do not want any condition and all, condition formatting. You have to just go here, clear the rules from entire sheet. This is how you can like create this one. Okay, now if you want to find the salary which are above average, so for that thing just go to conditional formatting, top to bottom, and just click here above average. So whoever value is greater than the average, it should be changed here. Okay, so for time, in our salary case, average is 49,500. So whichever value is above 49,500, it's here. This is sorting. So let's sort the value in ascending or descending value. Okay, so let's go with salary itself. Salary is here. We have to just go to filter, click here. Now we want in ascending, just click here. See, whichever is lowest will be at the first, whichever is the highest will be at last. And if you want to sort is at descending, just click descending. It will automatically sort everything. Okay, so instead of salary, we want by the name. Key name should be in ascending order. Just click here. It will be changed accordingly. Next is filtering data. So filtering help you focus only on data you need. So we want only the salary and all the description of Aman Joshi itself. Okay, so we have to select the range, then go to sort and filtering, then click on the filter. So here we are getting drop downs. So we just need Aman Joshi's one. Just select all Aman Joshi, click on Aman Joshi itself, apply. So we would be getting every details of Aman Joshi here, every single thing. If we want, let's go with Aman Joshi also, or Arjun Mehta also, apply. So here it is. So if you want to clear this one, Same thing, just go to sort and filter, clear here itself. You do not want to be like showing the filter part, click on the filter. Now here it is. For today's session, you have learned how to make your data look clean, organized, and ready for reporting. In the next video, we will start exploring charts and visualization in Excel, bringing your data to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DataNests for more tutorial on Excel, Power BI, and analytics. See you in the next one.